All right, we are going to look at solving some algebraic equations. First, using these algebra tiles, I'm going to do the best that I can going through these quickly. So these big squares are x squared. We're not really going to look at any of those just yet, so I'm going to put those to the side. These represent 1x. The red side represents a negative x. These little squares represent a 1. And the red side would be a negative 1. So let's look and see what we have here, and we're going to place it here. I've got x plus 3 equals 7. So I've got 1x, I've got 3, and 7. Oh my goodness, this is going to take me forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I want to get this x on this side completely by itself. So I'm going to have to do something with these pieces. So what I'm going to do is I need to move these pieces over here, but it's not simply just that I move them like that. No, 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 no. I have this wall right here, this equal sign, that I can't just put those over there, okay? So I have to do what we call the inverse. So I see 3 yellow ones, so I need to put 3 red ones, and whatever I do on one side of the wall, I've got to do on that other side of that wall. So I've got those 3 red ones on that side. So then whenever I come down here, what do I have? What do I have on this side? I've got that green x, right? Still. But I've got a positive 3, and then I'm taking away 3. So now I have 0 little squares on this side. I've got 7 up here, and I take away 3. I don't have enough to keep this visual for you. Let me... Alright, so I got more tiles. So I had 7 up here, and these little red ones mean I take away from those initial 7, and I am left with 4. So we can see that if I put 4 right here where that x is, 4 plus 3 does equal 7. And that's our only option, right? So let me try one more with these tiles and see if it helps make any sense. We got 2x minus 1 plus equals 5. So this time I have 2x, let me put them like this, minus 1, so I've got a red one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, positive 5 on that side. Okay, so again, my goal is I need to get these x's by themselves, so I need to, that's a minus 1, so I need to add 1 because my red and my yellow negate each other. So then left on this side, I've got these 2, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. 2, 4, 6. All I'm doing is counting how many squares I have. And then what I need to do is, I've got 2 of these though, right? I need to get it to where there's 1. So how I work my division is I turn each one sideways, and I take my 6 yellow ones and I divide them evenly because it's an even number, but evenly. So then I've got this one lined up with these 3 and this one lined up with these 3. So we want just what is one of those x's. So what is one of them? X equals, oh, you can't see it. There we go. X equals 3.